Hi, and welcome back to the Save It for Parts channel. Today we're doing a very special unboxing, not of this beer in my hand, but of the time capsule from 1995 from my old home in Funter Bay, Alaska. We've come back here to Southeast Alaska to drive a boat around Admiralty Island. So we've rented a boat in Juneau. We've been on an epic adventure for the past 9 days or so. On one of the early days, we stopped in Funter Bay. We went to our old house that our parents sold about over 10 years ago now. Actually, maybe more like 15 years. But we found this time capsule up in the attic of the house. We're up in the storage part of the attic. And this actually goes all the way through and comes back out down by the bathroom. But, yeah, there's the old fire hazard lamps before there was electricity, but we found a time capsule from when we were kids. And it says opened sometime after 2000. I think 2025 is late enough. I'm gonna open that up and see what's in there. And it is labeled from 1995, when I was about 12 years old or so, to 2020. It's now 2025, so this has gone a little farther than we intended, but I think it's time to see what's in here. I'm sure there's all kinds of embarrassing stuff from when we were kids, all kinds of broken toys and random nonsense. I personally can't wait to see what's in here, and as long as it's not too stupid, to share it with everybody out there. Also, make sure to check out all the other videos in my Southeast Alaska boat cruising series, all about the boat that we rented, all the places that we went to, all the things that we saw. It's really been a good time, so let's see what's in this time capsule. All right, let's see what's in this thing. Emerson time capsule from 1995. It is really stuck shut. All right, there we go. We have a note. Is this a tracing? This looks like some kind of epic Calvin and Hobbes style adventure of school buses being attacked by dinosaurs. All right, we have I don't even know what this is. We've got some crazy little pig monster. I guess this is a necklace. Electric motor, not from Axeman surplus. Yeah, spare parts from the past. We have a bag of, no, it's a little polished rocks. That's probably one of these bags you get at the tourist shops, like the gem store or something in town. Oh, we have a clay ball of Saturn, maybe? We have the, a patch for the math Olympiads. I was not good at math, so I don't think I earned this. I don't know where this came from. Oh, we have a Billiken I think is this a Billiken that our neighbor made? He used to sell these as Northwest Art or something. Let's see, we have a bouncy ball. Very sad. It's still bouncy, but it's a little sad. We have a chunk of wax. Important things. I guess that's another polished rock. Oh, we have another little Northwest Art style Billiken guy or whatever he is. We have a rock. Always important to have. Oh, this is pumice rock. That'll float. Oh, we have a computer chip of some sort. This is true Save It for Parts here. Oh, I think this is a digital watch part. Okay. Megan guessed there would be a Hot Wheels car in here. And there is, in fact, a Hot Wheels car. This might be Matchbox. I can never tell the difference between Matchbox and Hot Wheels, but we have that. We have a broken part of an HO scale train. See, I knew this would be broken toys. We have a computer chip. I don't know what this is, but we do have a computer chip in here. There's a marble. Always have to have a marble. It's going to roll away. A rubber band, because reasons. More polished rocks, and one screw. There we go. The time capsule from the 90s of Save It for Parts junk. And it is definitely pretty much all junk.
Extremely on brand.
Yes. I mean, I think this is literally my junk drawer. Yeah. Just put into a can and sent to the future.
You're like, well, I want to put things in a can to send to the future, but it can't be things I need or might need.
It can't be anything I actually... I mean, this is a perfectly good electric motor. I bet this still works. I'm pretty sure everyone agrees that Twist Tie Pigman is the real treasure of this time capsule. That's the best item in here. Maybe the car is pretty good, but But Twist Tie Pigman is pretty amazing. All right, I guess that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this one, I don't know why you would, but if you enjoyed this one, throw a comment down below, and I will try not to do any more of these because this was not that great. But all right, we'll see you next time. Hi, and welcome back to the Save It for Parts channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of a time capsule that my sister and I left in our former hometown. The peanut gallery is cracking up. I can't keep a straight, but now I have to reshoot that.